See, I've been following the Lord for years now, almost 5, in fact. I sing songs, and it still means nothing. I read the Word. It means a lot, but at some point, it means nothing. I even have this nice cross necklace that I got years ago, and ultimately, it means nothing. Let me finish my thought before you run to the comments or think anything. It means nothing if I don't follow the teachings. It means nothing if I don't follow the word that Jesus states. See, today as I read James 1, there's a portion in it from verses 19 to the end which talks about hearing and doing the word. I think it's common in this world to hear a lot of perspectives. It's common in this world to hear our own thoughts, to want to hear other people's advice. And God gives us that advice. He gives us a specific word, a word that brings life, peace, hope, joy. It brings us exactly what we need. The way that it's set up for obedience. See, God's blessings for our life, God's blessing for us is found in obedience. We receive that through obedience. A lot of times we're hopeless. A lot of times we're caught in cycles of doing things, even doing things for God, quote unquote. But there's a lack of obedience there. There's a lack of hearing and doing the word. That's the same reason that we find ourselves stuck in said cycle. We're supposed to live free. But the way that God sets up our freedom in Him is obedience in Him. Maybe that's something that we must learn even more. Again, I've been walking with the Lord almost 5 years, and I've not mastered it. I encourage you today to take the time, repent, turn to Jesus, and don't just listen to what He's saying, but listen to what He's saying. But also do it. Make the choice, the conscious choice, a real choice, not to just listen to what is being said, but also to do it. Prophetess, James 1:19 through 27 reads, "Know this, my beloved brothers, let every person be quick to hear, slow to speak, slow to anger. For the anger of man does not produce the righteousness of God. Therefore, put away all filthiness and rampant wickedness, and receive with meekness the implanted word, which is able to save your souls. But be doers of the word, and not hearers only, deceiving yourselves. For if anyone is a hearer of the word, and not a doer, he is like a man who looks intently at his natural face in a mirror. For he looks at himself and goes away, and at once forgets what he looks like. But the one who looks into the perfect law, the law of liberty, that's freedom, and perseveres, being no hearer who forgets, but a doer who acts, he will be blessed in his doing. If anyone thinks he is religious and does not bridle his tongue, but deceives his heart, this person's religion is worthless. Religion that is pure and undefiled before God, the Father, is this, to visit orphans and widows in their affliction, and to keep oneself unstained from the world." God bless you.